Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I make these super delicious Ghanaian plantain fritters called Akrakro. So for these fritters, I used oil, ginger, salt, grains of celery, pepper, shallot or an onion, corn flour, and plantain. So for this recipe, the plantains need to be in their last stage of ripeness. So basically they need to be black. Cut the plantain and set it aside. I will be using my Ghanaian mortar and pestle to make this. If you do not have one, you can also use a blender to blend the onions, pepper, and ginger, or you can finely mince them. Start with grinding the onions and pepper. Now I'm adding grains of celery, which is a spice. If you do not have it, do not worry, you can leave this out. Cut thin slices of the ginger and blend it with the rest. Add the plantain and mash it with a paste. Now our aim is to not make this silky smooth, but to leave some chunks of plantain. Add salt to taste. And to hold it all together while frying, I am adding corn flour. The corn flour that I am using is pre-cooked corn flour. I got it like that from the store. If you cannot get your hands on that, you can also use white corn flour. If you choose to use white corn flour, you can choose to dry toast it in a pan for a couple of minutes, or you can use regular flour. Heat oil over medium heat. Scoop some of the batter with a spoon and drop it carefully in the oil. Be mindful to not overcrowd the pan, as the temperature will drop the more you add. Also, because the plantains are so ripe, it caramelizes very quickly. For that reason, keep an eye on the heat. And cooking this over a high heat, you run the risk of caramelizing it before it is actually done on the inside. So I cook mine over a medium heat. And this is how they came out. They're beautifully brown from the outside, and this is how they look from the inside. If you like this video, you might actually also like these other plantain videos. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching.